Here is a green onion. Look how small and short the roots are. But I bought it from the store. I decided I wanted to make or cut them up in some soup. And look at that. I cut it up, and what I want to do is put it in some water. Some clear distilled water, clean distilled water. And this just shows you right here what happens when you keep it in water for 2 weeks. So what I'll do is I'll switch the water out every 2 days and let it keep it clean. They like clean water. So I keep it in like a clear little cup or something, or a little pot for 2 days, and then I just switch out the water and see how much it grows. Look at that. Look how long it is. That is just cool. So this is my first time trying this, so growing stuff from scraps, and look at the difference in that. Wow, the roots and just the length of the green onions. And the cool thing about green onions, you can keep cutting up and just put it back in water and just gonna keep growing. That is just cool. This makes me excited. I don't know, it's just seeing stuff grow just makes you happy for some reason. Makes me happy. So look at that. I'm gonna try these 3 out. I'm gonna put them in water, distilled water, for 2 days. And these are just the ones I did that let grow for 2 weeks. And this one. So yeah, I just wanted to let you see a difference between the two. Just the difference of 2 weeks. And just cut it off, the top part, where the green part is on top. Just cut it off and just put it in soup or whatever you're gonna cook, and just let it grow. Put it back in water or put it back in the soil. Well, it's gonna already be in soil after 2 weeks. Just put it in soil, some clean dirt. And I'm gonna show you right here what I did after I videotaped this. I put it in a pot, put some dirt around it, and just let it just do its thing. I have it under a green light. I'm gonna have a link below for a green light. Okay everyone, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and comment if you want, and stay tuned for more videos. I want you all to take care of yourselves, and God bless you all.